Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the yellow duct tape, 2" by 60 yards, 48 millimeters by 55 meters, general purpose, high track tape. So what I want to be able to do is I have here my yellow duct tape here, and then on top of it I have my dehydrated pineapples here. And I know they're dehydrated pineapples because I dehydrated them. But just for my family, this yellow duct tape works really great so that I can be able to put it on my mason jar and I can be able to label my dehydrated pineapples. Here we go. I was looking for where I can be able to pull it to get it open. Found it. So I got it there. And what I'm going to do is I have a black permanent marker here and I'm going to put pineapple on here. So that for my family, they can be able to know what it is without having to ask me because it's written right there. So it works really great in that regard. So I'm going to go ahead and tear it off, put that down, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my mason jar. Done and done. Isn't that nice? Now everyone will know these are pineapples. Thanks for watching.